And you get out the way. Look at Alexander getting beasted. Who gave up? I know that.
It's in. Go.
Go! The pot start. Oh God. Yay. Andy, get out the way of... Start. Oh my God. That was a horrible start. That was a horrible start. Okay. Eric is ready. He's super ready. Sunshine. Oh my God! Really, Alexander? Really? Just really. Okay, the game. Go for Alexander! Start! Last round, I mean. My God. Do you put this on YouTube or what? Oh my God! Epic success for Eric. Who will win the last goal? And I have to say that Eric might win. I might have to say that it's Eric. Oh, never mind, not Eric. Oh, epic dodge. Can't believe. Okay. Okay. I think I might have to stop recording, I think. Oh my God.
Oh God.
Are you kidding me? You hit that. You're just gonna hit that house like all over and over again. Oh my God! Who gets the ball?
Throw in.
God, I see your beer. Oh! You made it in! You made it in! And there's Jackson. And there's Jack's house. Yeah, I'm gonna stop right now.